Good morning. Sorry about the raspy voice. This morning we are going to talk about the Asset Rotator and Slideshow Widget that is available to you through StreamElements. And I'm going to be I already signed in to my StreamElements. Let me go ahead and give you my desktop. There we go. I have mine set up, I land on my media page because I'm always working on that the most and need it the most when I'm streaming. So I am going to, come on, let's go on up. We're going to go over to my overlays. And I'm going to create a new blank overlay. This is the new editor that they've come up with. And yes, I need it for 1080p. So we're going to start. Now, they have a whole brand new system. You used to be able to click and go in and grab a widget. They don't have that anymore. So we're going to come here and open this up. And this has the different things that you need or can get. Here's your alert boxes, your Capitan and stuff. And what we're going after is the Asset Rotator slider. So we're going to add that. Okay. And I have mine installed in this area. But we're going to put it in the center of the screen while we're working on it right now. Okay, now what they want you to do is add assets. And then you're going to set delays, times, interims. You're going to have your animation settings for entering from the right and how long, how to exit, etc. This is a very fun and worthwhile thing, especially, if you have a store set up and you want to do it differently. I am going to do this one right now. We're going to submit some stuff and say I have a Pinterest account, I have a Twitter account, I have a YouTube account, I have a Patreon account, I have a Snap, is that a Snap? Instagram. I have a Steam account. And all my stuff is under the same name. You might need to have images marked with the different names if you have different names. Whoops, I took one out. We'll have to add it back. You have to upload the images. Right here is your upload button. Which one did I take out? Let's see, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube. Put it back in. We'll add the Twitch. We'll add my Reddit account. So now I have a rotating thing for my media, social media. We'll call this a social media display right now. So let me click back on it and we'll check settings here. Interim pauses, show image, rewind, randomize, because it gets boring. You know what image is going to come up next? How boring, right? Show image, 1 second for each intro and outro animation. Videos must play for the full duration, a minimum of 2 seconds and a maximum of 2 minutes. I like the number 8. For 8, we don't have a lot of time to sit and wait. So we're going to leave that there. And like I said, we're going to come in with animation. We want it to bounce in and down. 8. We want it to bounce out left. 8. Oh, you know what? I like it to fade out. So let's save that. Save overlay name. Social media. Font number 3, just in case I have anything named that way. I am into social media. Okay. So I like the size. That works. I think there's a place for setting, and there was on my on it. I found it before, so we gotta find it again. To set opacity. So you see it on my screen there. Let's turn the opacity down. That way, if you're showing a game, you still show your social media. I have other things. I have my sponsors in mind. You still show your image and the game at the same time, so that it's not completely distracting. It calls attention to it, but it also allows the game to show through it. Because there are people come to watch your games and the things that you're doing. So, but that's my opinion. You have yours, and that's why all these things are customizable and adjustable to your liking. So then you would save it, and like I said, under the preview, you can get the link for your browser or your HTML code for your browser source, or when you exit, social media 3 here, you can copy the URL here. You have 2 places to get that. And I hope that this thing, little rundown, allows you to be more creative with what you want to put on your screen, display on your screen, how to display it on your screen, and in creating or using the editor to make things for your display. Thank you for listening.